It is only natural, most people want to look their best, and exercising their stomach muscles is usually a huge part of most fitness programs. If so much time and energy are going to be focused on this muscle group, it is a good idea to know what the best stomach exercises are. There are many resources available for finding the best stomach exercises, and plenty of people to say what they consider the best, so how can a person decide for themselves which truly are the best exercises for working their stomach muscles? First of all, it is important to note that the best stomach exercises are those that a person is willing to do. No matter how effective the exercise is, if a person isn't going to do them consistently, the exercise will not benefit that particular individual. It is also important to note that the best stomach exercises do not necessarily require equipment to perform them, although some machines and equipment may work quite well for some people. When a person decides on a fitness program that includes stomach exercises, it is best to include stomach exercises that work the different parts of the stomach. If a person simply concentrates on one area of their stomach, their workout will not be as effective. The best stomach exercises combine working the oblique, which are the side muscles, the lower abdominals, the midsection and also the upper section. Some of the most popular stomach exercises are crunches. These are a very effective exercise and very convenient since they can be performed anywhere without any equipment. The next stomach exercise that is also very popular and goes along with the basic crunch is the side crunch, which works out the oblique. Some people consider the best stomach exercises to be included in a pilot's workout. The reason for this is because, in Pilates, the whole focus is on the core of the body, which is the abdominal, or stomach muscles. Every movement in a pilot's workout will work the stomach muscles either directly or indirectly. These exercises can be found on the internet, either the exercise itself or videos that can be purchased. Another good exercise that some fitness experts consider to be one of the best stomach exercises involves laying flat on your stomach, legs straight, and then raising your body up using your arms as your hands are clasped together and keeping your body straight as if doing a push-up. Hold this position as long as you can stand. This is an excellent movement to strengthen the whole stomach. Remember again though that just because one person may consider a specific exercise to be the best stomach exercise, that does not necessarily mean it is the best for everyone. Each person's body is different and will respond differently to certain movements. Anyone serious about working on the abdominal muscles will find it most helpful to try several different stomach exercises and then determine which one they can both feel and see results with. If one exercise is simply too hard to do correctly or does not feel like it has done anything for the muscle group worked, that exercise is clearly not the best and the person should find what works best for them.